Hey, what is happening, everybody? The crypto market is back. Yesterday, it started. Today, it is continuing. We're going to get into some on chain analytics from a professional about why 2022 looks so bullish as we head into the first quarter of 2022. Retail money has not bought the dip like this since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. And that is what's changing in the crypto market. There is just more people jumping in, more retail money jumping in droves. And that is going to drive this market a lot higher in 2022. So we're going to jump into it. This article right here, but real quick, I got to take the first sip. It's perfect. Okay, institutional sell-off to book in profits complete. January sees capital redeployment. Holiday season is now retail only. Sophisticated traders are building long positions on calendar futures, and holders are holding the line on chain. So, what this is saying is then it goes to say, Happy holiday season, everyone. Everything is aligning. This is Willy Woo, a Bitcoin analyst. Everything is aligning for the start of the year to start with a bang for Bitcoin, which of course will drive the overall market up as well. I'm predicting a 65 to 75 and $75,000 Bitcoin within the first 60 days of 2022. All right, let's take a look at some of the charts here. Bitcoin is up over 51K. Ethereum closing in on 4,100. It's been as high as that already. There are some various assets out there performing really well. Over the past 7 days, XRP is up 21%. Cardano's up 17%. They've looked strong. Avalanche has looked really strong over the past several months. Terra Luna, how about this? Luna's up 54% in the last week, 13.5% in the last 24 hours. Things are looking very bullish. Algorand is actually up 11% here today. That's looking solid as well. The Sandbox, 21%. Internet Computers bouncing back 16%. Phantom, 18%. So a lot of various assets coming back. Now, going back to Willy Woo's Twitter page, if we go back to his Twitter, we can see, scroll on down here, and he's got something relating to the retail money coming in. So here it is. The last time retail bought the dip this hard was at the bottom of the COVID crash, probably nothing, et cetera, et cetera. Goes on to say, true bear markets happen not from sellers, but when we are out of buyers. This is why macro tops are highly volatile. Buy side liquidity drops away. Final note, the data in this chart will overestimate the buying due to the underlying way BTC, UTXOs work, and the method used to determine and cluster addresses into individual investors. So essentially, the retail money is still here. They are buying in big quantities, which translates in Willy Woo's mind to a longer bull run that is ahead. So that is, I think, the most common scenario that I'm seeing from a lot of the analysts out there, that we're going to see a big 2-month run here as we start the new year. So in December, we expected to see a big run up. We just didn't have it. And again, I think it went back to not having enough retail money coming in behind all the institutional money that has come into crypto as of late. So if we bounce back over to the charts, we can see Bitcoin is really kind of just consolidating here since yesterday. Once it kind of reached up here, this is the 7-day. Things are looking very bullish though for BTC, and of course this is the main driver. This is what dictates where the market will go. The 7-day low is 45,000. 7-day high is 51.4, and right now we're at 51.1. So we'll look to set new weekly highs here today. We're not far off already, as we're starting the day up about 5% here in the 24-hour period for Bitcoin. So the overall market at large is looking really bullish. Finally, Bitcoin breaking out a bit and driving this market back up. In terms of the dominance, BTC is only 38.5% dominant. It's been up over 40% most of the year, but here it's a little bit below, as Ethereum has been looking very bullish as well, and many other altcoins are slowly taking some dominance away from Bitcoin as well. So that's what I've got for you here in this video. We've also got the Patreon. This link is down below in the description. A couple different levels here. There will be a podcast coming soon. We're going to try to make this thing happen this week. It might be just after Christmas, though, and when we start the podcast, family things are obviously very important this time of year. So first episode is coming very soon. And thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate it. See you in the next video.